we'll guide you through how to create Printful art prints easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printful website and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly create an account by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard and find the Product Templates section. Click on Create New to start your art print project. You'll see a variety of product options. Choose Posters because this is perfect for art prints. Now, you'll be directed to the Design interface. Here, you can upload your artwork files. Make sure your files are in high resolution for the best print quality. Drag and drop your design onto the template. You can adjust the size and position using the tools provided, ensuring it looks just right. Play around with the mock-up view to see how your art print will look once it's printed. Next, select the size and type of paper you want. Printful offers a range of options, so choose what suits your art best. Once you're satisfied with your design and selections, click Save Product Template. This will keep your art print ready for when you're ready to order or add to your store. If you want to sell it, you can easily integrate with platforms like Etsy or Shopify directly from Printful. Just follow the integration instructions on the dashboard. And there you have it, your very own art print ready to be printed and shared with the world. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.